All right, everybody, welcome back to Full Moon Hot Rods. We're going to work on the Model A little bit tonight. It's going to be a small job. It's just a few things I'm going to start welding up on the car. But I do want to say, if you're watching the videos and you keep coming back, or if it's your first time and you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing, but it will help us grow the channel a little bit. Maybe we can get a little bit better content or better equipment to do stuff with, as far as videos and stuff. But I'm gonna take you over there to the car, and I do appreciate everybody watching. But I'm gonna take you over there to the car, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Like I say, it is pretty simple. I hope y'all stick around and watch it. But let me carry you to the car, and I'll show it to you. All right, like I said, guys, this here's gonna be a simple little job for tonight, but it's something that's still got to be done. And I hope it'll show up on the camera. I don't know if it will, but you see these holes right here going across the top of the car, and then they go down the sides of the car, and then it stops, and then it starts back here and here. Those holes, I believe somebody may have put a piece of sheet metal across the top of the car years ago and screwed it down or whatever. But I'm going to weld all these holes up. They go all the way around the back, down the other side, and on this side. So I'm going to grind this primer off, weld these holes up, grind them off, and if I can find something else to do, we'll do that. If not, we'll stop with that tonight. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I told you I'd take you along for the ride, so I reckon every little thing is part of it. So let me get it set up, and we'll start welding this stuff up. All right, guys, I hope you can see what I'm doing. This is going to be kind of tough to do. Sure there's not one there in the middle. There may be one there too. Yep, there was one more right there in the middle. There's a few more on this side than there are on that side. That's why I think they might have had a piece of tin up there on it, or a piece of sheet metal or something. But let me get the welder set up. We'll weld these up and grind them off. All right, guys. Let's see if we can get these holes welded up. I got my spoon just in case I have to use it. Probably won't have to. Like I say, we're not chasing rust. We're just trying to weld up a few holes. A lot of little holes there to weld up. Alright, I think I got them all welded up, so we'll take and go there and grind them off now. Alright guys, I found a pinhole over here in this side, so I'm going to weld that up. Alright guys, I'm going to blow this off, wipe it off, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll put a little bit of primer on it. Alright, you can see where I welded the holes up. That's all I was after. It's just the holes. But I did try to get some of the, it had some old sealer pieces still left in that channel. I tried to get some of that out, but I'm not really worried about that right now. All I'm going to do is just prime these little spots just to keep them from rusting, because I'm probably going to take the whole thing down to the metal anyway. This is not going to be for like paint prep or anything. It's just something to keep it from flash rusting. And when I start doing the body work, that's when I'll go there and take it all back down to the metal and start over, because this thing was sandblasted years ago and it's been primed for a long time, and it needs to go back down to the metal, I'm sure. But you can see there where I welded it up. It had 2 pinholes right here. It's got all kind of little dents and dings in the top, so I got to do a lot of dolly work. But anyway, it was a small little project. So there's a dent right there, a pretty good one, right there. It's got a bunch of little dents right in this area. So, but every little thing we do gets us a little bit closer, so that's something off the list. There it is with it welded up, guys, with just a little bit of primer sprayed on it just to keep it from rusting. But like I say, I know I'll end up taking this thing all the way back down to the metal before I start working the body and stuff. All right, everybody, I appreciate you watching. That's it for this video. I told you it was going to be a little short video. Not much going on, just some screw holes and stuff. But anyway, it's a little bit of what all you have to do to fix these things. It's always something. You'll always find little pinholes or something somewhere that you got to fix. So I'm still running them down all over the car. So I think I'm getting close on them though. I know there's one, it's in the trunk section where the trunk lip is. There's a little spot there I got to fix. And other than that, that's about it on the body. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I appreciate it. Y'all hit that subscribe button and them likes and do the comments. And I always try to answer the comments, but y'all take it easy.